Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is ninth video for gym management system in Django. In this video, we will show the compare plans. We will show the features of the plans and compare the features with the main plans. Okay, with the help of many to many relationship. Okay, so in our previous video, we have implemented this, but we faced some kind of issue, and so that I have given you a task that how we can do that. Okay, and I have requested you to add your thoughts or add your comments in the video, but I didn't receive any comment on this. But it's okay. I will do this. I will show you that how we can show the comparison. Okay, so we will need to modify a couple of things. So the first thing we will modify, we will add the many to many relationship. Okay, I will show you that why we are adding this. So many to many relationship means we can add data in multiple parents at one time. Okay, let me show you. First we will define the relation many to many field, and here we will pass the relation. Okay, so sub plan. Okay, so here we have created this. Now what we will do, in the admin we can't call the sub plan because now the title, the sub plan will be multiple. Okay, so we can't show the sub plan. Okay, and okay, so let's migrate this py manage.py make migration. Okay, and now py manage.py migrate. So it has been migrated. Now let's run the server and let's go to the subplan features. So here I have reduced the I have if you see the previous video, we have added the individual code multiple times because we were adding the individual code in basic, medium and advanced. Now I have reduced that. Okay, so let's see what it will do. If I go to the exercise schedule and if I choose the plan that we now we can add 3 plan at once time. Okay, so we can choose that this exercise schedule will go in 3 plans. Okay, here we can do that, and we can do this only when we have enabled the many to many relationship. Okay, so let's save this, and let's this diet plan will also go to basic and also go to medium and will also go to advanced. Now let's go to the individual coach, and this individual coach will only go to the medium and advanced. Save this, and this cardio will only go to medium and advanced. Not only, it will go to medium and advanced, and cardio and functional training will go to the advanced only. Okay, so here we have defined the things. Okay, now we want to show the plans also in admin section. So what we will do, I will create here a name. Here I will add the name, and we will create the function definition sub plans, and here we will pass the objects, and I will return what I will return the concatenation with. So here I will say it can be sub dot title. For sub in, you can say object dot subplan subplan dot all. Okay, so it will fetch all the data from the subplan, and the data will be goes to the subtitle here, and this will join with this pipeline. Okay, so now let's see this. So I will refresh this page. and here you can see that advanced, the cardio will go to the medium advanced. Let's add some space here. I hope you are understanding all the things. If you have any query, any doubt, then please add in the comment box. Okay, and please subscribe this channel, okay, so that you will get regular updates, and please uh, like this video, okay, share this video. Okay, so we have created this now. So we have completed the admin section. Now let's go to the pricing section actual. So I will go here, okay, and let's go to the pricing section, and here I will remove the previous things, okay. And first of all I will go to the views, and here we don't need the distinct data, we just need the sub features because we have added the sub features already a single time, okay. So I will remove this and add all. Here it will all, and D features, okay, fine. So pricing, D feature, and the four plans. Okay, so here what we will do, so here we will say if plan in feature dot subplan dot all, if plan exists in all, then we will show the check, else we will not show the check, okay. So refresh the page. So here you can see that, okay. So plan is exercise schedule is exist in a basic, diet plan, medium, and all the things, okay. So here what we will do, we will also add a else condition. So add here, and this will be x, okay, and this x will be in text range, okay. So here we have completed this, you can see that, okay. So we have completed this page, okay. Now in the next video we will do something more interesting, okay. So thanks for watching this video, thank you so much. And please, if you have any other suggestion for compare plan, then please you can also add in this video, okay. So thanks for watching this video, thank you so much.